only God has decked thee. Oh, Christmas tree,